Yes, ma'am. So the next topic is very interesting that you can afford only one equipment. So what will you purchase? Either a high-end phaco machine or invest in an optical biometer. So to debate that, we have two of the great surgeons from Rajasthan and Dr. Mukesh Sharma, who wants to upgrade to high-end phaco machine. He is heading the Center for Sight, Jaipur branch, and he's a true all-rounder who does cataract, refractive, cornea, and oculoplasty with equal expertise. And his opponent is none other than Professor Pankaj Sharma. I take proud privilege to introduce him as he has been my guru from my postgraduate days in way back in '99. He is a great teacher, a prolific surgeon, great academician. He's a senior professor in SMS Medical College, Jaipur. He is liked and respected by all his students for years. So first, let's hear from Dr. Mukesh Sharma that why does he want to purchase high-end phaco machine? Dr. Mukesh, sir, are you there?
Yes, Dr. Mukesh is there. Dr. Mukesh, can you unmute yourself?
Just a sec. Yeah. Am I audible now?
Yeah,
yes, sir.
Be louder.
So at the outset, I'm thankful to Dr. Chitra, Dr. Harshul, and team ARC for having me here. The topic is that I can only upgrade to one instrument, so I'll go for high-end phaco machine. So now I feel, where is the debate? Just to have a debate now in this straightforward answer, Dr. Chitra is very smart and she has pitched in Dr. Pankaj Sharma against me. Dr. Pankaj was my senior in SMS Medical College, Jaipur in my undergraduate days. Then he was senior to me in RP Center. Then he was again senior to me in SMS Medical College as faculty. So he is my super boss. And there is a dictum here, boss can never be wrong. Now, after 5 minutes or so, Dr. Pankaj will say, Mukesh, it is sunrise time. And I'll have to concede, yes, sir. Maybe sun has just risen 11 hours back. So anyway, so with this, I start my presentation. It's not moving forward. Yeah. So we all know that phaco machine is the lifeline of all ophthalmologists, all comprehensive ophthalmologists, I should say. It is bread and butter for us. 60 to 90% of the earning of an average ophthalmologist is done by phaco machine, and 90% of the OT time is spent is done on this tool. So that's why there is no secret that first instrument which needs upgradation is the phaco machine, because it increases safety to every single patient you operate upon, and also it gives efficiency and comfort to you every time when you enters in the OT. There are various advantages of a high-end machine. We all know about them. There may be various modes like micropulse mode. Fluidics is better. There is better anterior chamber stability. Tubings are disposable. No fluid entering in the machine. Better sterility. Better holding ability at lower vacuum. Better followability. Optimal vitrectomy setting. This is very important. If you have PCR and if you are having a good machine, then you may have a machine with cut rate of 2000, 3000, and you can do a very good job. Then there may be option of fusion fluidics with a dual pump. You can use Venturi or peristaltic pump for same or for all of the case. You will be having advantage of dual linear foot pedal, and also you may have advantage of bidirectional phaco, either with Ozil or with the ellipse handpiece. So there are various advantages of a high-end machine. I need not to go into those details. As I told you, a high-end machine increases safety in all patients. It gives you more predictable outcome, and it gives you a peace of mind every time. Increases efficiency and comfort. A baseline machine may be effective, wherein your input and output may be the same at the most. But if you are having a high-end machine, then your efficiency will definitely be more, and your output would be several times more of your input. So this is where a high-end machine scores over the baseline machine. A very simple example, if you want to move some articles in a square container, you will have to put more force and you will not be able to travel a long distance. But if you place those articles in a rounded container, then you will be able to travel a long distance by applying a lesser force. So this is a very simple logic. Efficiency, if you increase efficiency, your speed increases, your quality increases, and thereby effectively cost decreases. If you want to travel in a car, obviously you would choose a car where all the safety measures are there, like seat belt, like ABS, like all airbags. You do not like to travel in a car where these features are not there. And in the case of car crash, you obviously want to be in this particular situation where you are saved with minor injuries. But if your car is not having good safety measure, then you can have serious injury, and you do not want to see yourself, and also you do not want to see your patient to land up in such conditions in a case of complication during your surgery. So a high-end machine can handle complications better, like PCR, definitely, than the baseline machines. So when you purchase a car, you look for all safety mechanisms, comfort and efficiency, like tiltable steering, good cabin comfort, automatic transmission, etc. Similarly, for a good phaco machine, you want to look for all these features and you want to upgrade at the first given chance.
1 minute.
Whenever you are operating on a basic machine, you are definitely under stress. You can see front line on the forehead if person is operating on a baseline machine. But if you are operating on a high-end machine, you are really relaxed. This is Ellipse handpiece, good machine, and you are not having any stress at all. If you are operating on a difficult case like microcornea with ciliary coloboma, hard cataract, in a base machine will have problems because AC is really shallow and this patient is one-eyed, other eye was having severe microphthalmos. But with high-end phaco, your chamber will be always stable, rock hard, and there will be very good followability. You just keep your phaco needle in the center of anterior chamber and everything will come into it. So this is the advantage of a good high-end machine, and it will give you more peace of mind and it will give your patient better safety and security. So to conclude, high-end phaco machine imparts safety in every case, every single case. It increases efficiency and improves result every time you enter into your OT, and it reduces stress and it gives you peace of mind every time. While optical biometer, it is a useful tool, but it is down the preference, not the first preference tool. Most good A scans give optimal results in more than 99% of the cases. For rest, less than 1% case, you can always take help from your colleague. You are all anyway. You are referring your retina patient to your retina colleague. Similarly, you can send patient with say LASIK previous history of LASIK, and also with very long eye and very short eye to your fellow colleague who are having optical biometer. Thank you. Thank you for your patience here.
Thanks, Dr. Mukesh. That was